Good morning all. It's pancake day in the UK here today, and I'm going to try to make a Sri Lankan pancake called an appam. Big up to my aunt in Australia who gave me this recipe. I'm going to mix up all of this stuff, and you have to leave it for 6 hours apparently. That's why I'm doing it on this cold morning. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'm going to use some brown rice flour. You can use white rice flour as well. 2 cups of that. And then I am going to use some plain flour as well. 1.5 cups of this. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'll see how that goes. Mix it all up to a thick batter and leave that for 6 hours. So, I forgot to tell you that after about 6 hours, you need to add in the coconut milk. So I'm just going to use a tin, and then it all should then go to a nice batter consistency. So just like that. That is really good. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, time to fire up the barbecue. So I've filled it with some fresh coals, cleaned out the barbecue, and that should be done in about 15 minutes. Okay, so it's now at about 200, so it's really hot to touch. And I've got one of these special pans, like a round pan for making the appams. So I'm going to put that on, get that warming up, just close that so it just keeps the heat a little bit. Oh, there you go, that'll warm up in no time. Okay, that's nice and hot. So what I'm going to do is put my glove on, because this might get a bit hot. But I've got some sesame oil here, so you can use a bit of sesame oil. I'll put this on. Get that warming up. Oh, I should get 2 actually, 2 gloves. Oh. Let's give this a good shake so it gets all over. As this is the first one, like with any pancakes, always it might be a bit of a disaster, but we'll give it a go. Right, I'm going to put 1 ladle on here. Don't think it's quite warm enough yet. And then it's not sticking great. Maybe I'll put a bit too much oil. But let's see how that goes. Okay, so we decided to go indoors because the outdoor pan is not great. So this was my first effort, sticky, but the batter was really good. So let's check out this batter. Then Okay, that's been going for about 3 minutes. Really perfect. A bit of salt and a bit of hot spice, chili sauce. And that should be good to go. Pretty good. Delicious.